indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, loaded with features. Features also include traction control, power windows, rear view camera. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2017 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, tachometer, power driver seat. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.